Hello, and welcome back to Sir English Language. I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. Thanks for spending time with us today.
If you're listening to practice your English, you are in the right place. We'll speak slowly, we'll use clear sentences, and we'll keep the conversation friendly and easy to follow.
And if you ever feel nervous about listening, don't worry. Today is practice, not a test.
Exactly. We'll talk about a small problem first, then a solution, then some good news, and at the end, we'll ask you a question so you can write a comment in English.
Also, if you miss something, you can pause and replay. That's a smart way to learn.
Great. Maya, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Maya, how are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. I feel calm, but also a little bit sleepy.
Sleepy? Already?
Yes, I woke up early and I had a busy morning. How about you?
I'm okay. I feel pretty good, but my brain is a little full today, like I have too many tabs open.
Too many tabs open. I like that. That's a good description.
It's how I feel. A lot of little tasks, all at the same time.
Then today's conversation is perfect. We can slow down and speak clearly. Alex, can we explain something for learners? Sleepy and tired can feel similar.
Good point. Let's explain it.
Okay, sleepy means you want to sleep. Your eyes feel heavy.
Yes, and tired can mean you need rest, but not always sleep. You can be tired from work or tired from exercise.
Exactly. I'm sleepy today. I could take a nap.
And I'm tired in my mind. I need a break.
Great. That's a helpful difference. So, Alex, let's start with our first topic, our small problem for today.
Yes, what is the problem?
The problem is I had a difficult meeting at work. Not dramatic, not terrible, but stressful.
A stressful meeting can ruin your day.
It can, and the meeting was long. It felt like it would never end.
What made it stressful? The people? The topic?
Both. The topic was numbers and deadlines, and the group energy was not great.
Oh no, that combination is hard.
Yeah, and I left the meeting thinking, how do I fix the mood on the team?
That's a very real problem. Many people understand that.
Tell me the story. What happened?
Okay, so my team has a project. We need to finish a report soon, and soon means very soon.
Like tomorrow soon?
Not tomorrow, but close. Only a few days.
That's fast.
Yes, and in the meeting, the manager kept repeating the deadline. Not in a mean way, more like, remember, remember, remember.
That can still increase stress.
Exactly. Everyone started to sound tense. People were talking over each other. Some people were quiet.
So the team felt split. Some loud, some silent.
Yes, that's the perfect description.
Was there conflict, like an argument?
Not a big argument, more like small, sharp moments. You know, when someone says something and the room gets cold?
Yes, the mood changes instantly.
Exactly. There are two coworkers on my team. Let's call them Jordan and Casey.
Okay.
Jordan talks a lot, very social, very confident. Casey is new and more quiet, very focused.
So Jordan brings energy, and Casey brings concentration.
Right. But yesterday, Jordan made a joke, and the joke didn't land well.
Meaning it wasn't funny?
It wasn't funny to Casey. Casey got quiet, and after that, the conversation felt uncomfortable.
That's hard, because maybe Jordan didn't mean harm, but Casey still felt hurt.
Yes, and the manager didn't really notice. The manager only cared about the report.
Quick vocabulary moment. You said deadline.
Yes, a deadline is the last date or time you must finish something.
For example, my deadline is Friday.
And when the deadline is close, people can feel pressure.
Pressure can make people speak impatiently.
I left the meeting feeling responsible, not because it was my fault, but because I want a healthy team.
Let me check I understand. You're saying the meeting was tense and you want to improve the team mood?
Yes, that's right.
And you're worried that Jordan and Casey will have trouble working together.
Exactly. They need to collaborate, but now it feels awkward.
That makes sense.
I also feel nervous because the deadline is close. There isn't much time to repair the mood.
So you need a quick solution, a gentle solution.
Yes, quick and gentle.
What is your role on the team? Are you the manager?
I'm not the manager. I'm more like a coordinator. I help people communicate and stay organized.
That's an important role.
It is, but it can be tiring. You feel the emotions of the group.
True. You become a bridge between people.
Yes, a bridge. And right now, the bridge feels shaky.
Then the solution should bring people together without forcing a deep conversation.
I agree. Forcing a serious talk might make it worse.
So maybe something small, friendly, normal.
Yes, normal is key.
Can I suggest something?
Please.
Sometimes when a team feels tense, a shared moment helps, like a short break together.
A break is good. People need breathing space.
Exactly. It could be coffee, or tea, or snacks, something simple.
That's interesting. Not a big team building event, just a human moment.
Yes, because big events can feel fake.
True, a small break feels natural.
You could say, "Hey everyone, I'm going to grab something. Does anyone want anything?"
That sounds easy and kind.
Also, we used a good word, awkward.
Okay, I actually like your suggestion. Let's make it concrete.
Yes, what will you do?
Tomorrow morning, I'll arrive a little early. I'll bring a small box of snacks, maybe pastries or fruit.
Nice.
And I'll also bring tea bags and some instant coffee. Nothing fancy, just something warm.
Warm drinks feel comforting.
Then I'll message the group and say, I brought something for everyone. Take a short break when you can.
That's perfect because it's optional. People can join without pressure.
Exactly. And if Jordan and Casey both come to the table, they might exchange a simple thanks or a small smile.
Small moments can reset the mood.
Yes, that's the hope.
Let's practice the exact message. Simple English helps.
Good idea. How about, "Hi everyone, I brought tea and snacks. Please help yourself. Let's take 5 minutes to recharge."
That's excellent. Help yourself is a useful phrase.
True. It means, "Please take what you want."
And recharge is also a good word. It means get energy again.
Right. Like charging a phone.
Let's explain help yourself clearly.
Sure. When you offer food, you can say, "Help yourself."
It means you don't need permission. You can take it.
Another example, "There's water in the kitchen. Help yourself."
Great, simple, and polite. Alex, do you think this will solve everything?
Not everything. It won't fix deep problems, but it can soften the situation.
That's realistic.
And even if Jordan and Casey don't become friends, they might work together calmly.
Calm is a good goal.
Yes, also, it shows the team we are people, not machines.
I love that, especially when deadlines are close. People forget that.
True. Stress can make you forget kindness.
And your plan is kind, without being dramatic.
Okay, that was our first topic, the work problem and the small solution.
Now we need something happier.
Yes, Maya, you said you had some good news today.
I do, and it's the kind of news that makes you smile instantly.
Tell me, I'm ready.
Okay, my cousin is getting married.
Wow, that is big news.
Yes, and the wedding is soon.
Congratulations to your cousin. When is the wedding?
In about a month.
That's soon. Are you excited or stressed?
Both. I'm excited for my cousin, but I have planning to do.
What kind of wedding is it? Big, small?
Medium, not huge, not tiny, and it will be outdoors, in a garden.
A garden wedding sounds beautiful.
Yes, flowers, trees, soft lights in the evening.
That sounds like a movie scene.
It does, and my cousin is very happy. That's the best part.
So, what's your challenge? You said you have planning.
My main problem is I need to choose what to wear.
Ah, yes, the big question.
Exactly. I want to look nice, but I also want to be comfortable.
Comfort matters, especially outdoors.
Yes, because it will be on grass, and that changes everything.
Because of shoes.
Yes, shoes are the hardest part.
I understand. Outdoor events and uncomfortable shoes are a bad combination.
Quick word, comfortable.
Comfortable means it feels good on your body. No pain, no pressure.
For example, these shoes are comfortable. I can walk all day.
And the opposite is uncomfortable.
Yes, uncomfortable shoes can ruin your night.
Okay, so tell me your thoughts. What are your options?
I'm thinking about two colors. One is blue and one is green.
Both are great. What vibe do you want?
I want something calm and elegant, but not too serious.
For a garden, green matches nature, but blue can look fresh.
That's exactly my problem. Both make sense.
What time is the wedding?
Late afternoon into evening.
Then maybe a color that looks good in soft light.
Yes, and also I don't want to match the bridesmaids.
Good point. You don't want confusion.
Exactly. I want to look like a guest, not part of the wedding party.
Now, shoes. What are you thinking?
No high heels. I learned my lesson.
What happened?
Last year, I wore heels to an outdoor party. My shoes sank into the ground.
Oh no.
I walked like a slow robot, and I kept looking down at my feet.
That is not fun.
Not fun at all. So this time, I want flat shoes or low heels.
Smart. A stable shoe is a happy shoe.
Yes, I want to dance, not struggle.
Then flats sound perfect. Let's make a simple plan. One dress, one pair of shoes, one small bag.
I like that. Simple.
Okay, dress may be blue. Shoes may be silver or beige.
Silver could be nice, not too bright, but special.
Yes, and a small bag that matches the shoes.
That sounds organized. I need organized today.
You're welcome. I'm your fashion assistant.
You're doing a good job, and you're very confident.
Only in theory. In real life, I wear the same jacket all week.
That is honest.
Tell me about your cousin and their partner. How did they meet?
It's a funny story. They met in a cooking class.
Really? That's cute.
Yes, they were both trying to make bread, and both of them failed.
That's the best start. Two people failing together.
Exactly. They laughed and they started talking. Then they practiced at home and they kept meeting to try again.
So love grew with bread.
Yes, now they can actually cook.
That's adorable.
And it's also encouraging. You don't have to be perfect to meet someone.
So you have a wedding coming and you have shopping plans.
Yes, I'll go shopping this weekend. I want to choose early so I'm not stressed later.
Good strategy.
And you? What will you do after your work deadline?
After the report is done, I want a quiet night, simple food, and a funny movie.
A funny movie is good for the nervous system.
Yes, laughter is medicine.
And maybe you'll also have a snack, since you're bringing snacks to the office.
True, snacks are becoming my life theme.
It's a good theme.
Okay, Maya, I think that's a great place to end today.
Yes, we had a real conversation, a work problem, a kind solution, and some happy news.
If you enjoyed listening, please support the channel. You can like this episode and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
And if you know someone learning English, you can share it with them. That really helps.
Also, remember, you can listen again. Repeating is powerful for learning.
And be kind to yourself. Listening improves little by little.
Now we have questions for you.
Yes, please answer in the comments in English.
Question 1. What do you do when you feel stressed at work or school?
And question 2, what are your plans for this weekend? Are you resting, working, or meeting friends?
We love reading your answers. It's great practice.
Thanks again for listening. See you next time.